Evening, Jane.
Evening.
We had a great time away, didn't we, in Norwich?
Yeah.
And I've got all these records, which I haven't played yet. I haven't had time. I've been so busy. Today's video is going to be a little, it's like practical hi-fi. I could set up a magazine called Practical Hi-Fi, a bit like practical motorhoming or practical gardening or something like that. But today is practical hi-fi, and I'm going to show, in all seriousness, this is not a spoof or anything. If you just want to come over to here, and I'll show what the problem is that I've got, is with the turntable, when I turn it on, that's all great. When I turn it off, if you focus on this bit here, you'll see what happens.
It's got a
See,
little shudder.
a little shudder at the end. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the belt off. I've washed my hands, so it's like as grease free as possible. I'm going to take the belt off and come with me this way. We're going to go over to the operations centre, and I'm going to put some talcum powder on a tray like so. It's like a bit like baking a cake, but not the same. So I'm just going to get the talcum powder.
They're probably all going to think you're joking again, you know.
Yeah, they probably are. But no, this is honestly, was told to me by the man at Michel Turntables, Michel Engineering, and I thought he was joking, but no, he said no, it's true. And then I tried it, and it works. So, oh, by the way, look, you know your drawers?
Yes.
Look, we're
One.
halfway there. That's one of the, well,
That's
there's
a
three.
third of the
That's
way.
the third of the way. They're to go in there to replace these baskets.
Which have to be lifted out each time we want something.
Yes, like flour and rice and stuff like that. I know that's not very hi-fi-ish, but it's sort of, you're doing this filming for me,
Yeah.
and I'm doing this in return for you, aren't I?
Yes, please.
So there's one drawer, and over here,
Also for yourself as well.
not really, I'm not really bothered, but I'm doing it for you, darling. These instructions are the worst instructions that I've ever come across. Bring back IKEA. IKEA instructions are 10 out of 10 if you just follow them step by step. This is just like assuming you've got a degree in drawer making. But anyway, I've done one. I'm in the process of the second one, third one. Just look at it, this lot. Look, this is all because.
The lady loves.
All because the lady loves, yes. Right, so back over here, we get the talcum powdered belt, and we shall go back.
Oh, we're going that way now.
We go. Come this way.
Oh, thank you.
Right, now, what I'm going to do now is to thread the belt around the. Did you know what this is called? This round bit.
Turntable.
Well, this bit is actually called the platter, and then I'm going to loop it over there, and then and to clean up afterwards, I've got this makeup brush, which was a suggestion by Bob at the what's the YouTube video that I watch of his, United States of Analog. And he came up with this idea, and I think it's really good. Nice and soft. Get rid of all the little bits of talcum powder. Anyway, so
It smells nice.
yes, it does smell nice, but that's not really a hi-fi term. So here we go. Ready?
Yeah, I might have to come around
Yeah,
here,
you come
actually.
around that way. You can tell this is live, folks, because we haven't rehearsed this. We never do. So I'm going to switch it on. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
So there you are, and then
Now
come.
let's see if that happens.
Okay, so now I'm going to turn it off. Ready? See, it just glides to a stop.
Yeah.
I'll do it one more time. Starts up. Glides to a stop. How about that?
Great.
And we're going to finish off I did say that when we were in Norwich, I was going around to 3 hi-fi shops and I wanted to buy some gel that you put underneath the stylus, okay, and you just drop the stylus onto this pot of gel, and it keeps all the dust in the gel, and it just cleans the stylus. And there was a couple of comments made about saying that it's not very good for the stylus. Well, I asked my friend Dr. Russell, who is the physicist, and I'm reading this, what he said. Vinyl Passion it's the Vinyl Passion Dust Buster is what he's got. He says some cleaning gel leaves a deposit, only with some Far Eastern soft versions. But he's got one that's not soft, and it's a firm plastic with a high surface tension.
Sounds like a jelly plate.
You're for your art, the jelly plate, which we're going to do a video on, aren't we, at some point? Are we?
Yes, yeah.
Stylus only sits on the top, and it only cleans the tip of the stylus, not the whole stylus, just the tip. So thank you, Dr. Russell, for that. I actually ordered some today, and it will be with me probably day after tomorrow, and then I can do a little demonstration of that as well. So it's good to be back, isn't it, at home after our little weekend away, going to record shops and hi-fi shops and clothes shops for you. And so until the next time, thank you very much, viewers, for watching. I'm getting professional now, aren't I? Thanks very much for watching. Watching. And see you next time. Thanks. Bye.